Installing vinyl siding is a big project, but knowing the process ahead of time can make it easier. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the steps involved so you can see how it all comes together. Use galvanized or stainless steel nails of at least 1 3/4 inch length. Don't drive them tight. Leave a 1/16 inch clearance between the nail head and vinyl. Always keep safety in mind. Wear protective gear like safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection when cutting vinyl. Make sure ladders are stable and used safely. Watch out for hidden utilities like wiring behind walls, and always check your local building codes for any other requirements before you begin. Snap a level chalk line around the base of your house, just above the foundation, to guide your starter strip. Then install the starter strip aligned to it, leaving room for future expansion as vinyl expands and contracts with temperature. Next, nail inside and outside corner posts, and J-channel trim around windows and doors to frame the siding. Begin your first siding panel from a back corner and work across. Lock the panel into the starter strip and nail it to the wall. Overlap panels by 1 to 1 1/4 inches in the pre-notched cutouts. Make vertical cuts to the end of the siding panel to fit. After completing the first course, work your way up. When you reach windows or doors, cut panels to fit. Tuck the edges into the pre-installed J-channel trim for a clean, sealed finish. For the top row, trim panels to fit under eaves and along gables. Snap, cut pieces into utility trim or under sill trim to secure them cleanly and cap off any exposed edges. Installing vinyl siding can boost your home's curb appeal and durability, but it takes planning and precision. If you're looking for expert help, a Lowe's independent installer will get the job done right.